Hello and welcome to a summer week in my life. So summer has started, it's been pretty hectic, but I think I'm finally settling into a routine, so I thought I would document a week of my life in it. We've got a pretty busy but very fun week coming up, starting with brunch today, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along with the summer adventures. Here was a fit check of the day, and then I went to go transit downtown. This is always my favorite part of heading downtown. I think crossing the bridge is so gorgeous. And then I walked to brunch. Also been carrying around this camera where I've been trying to document summer memories. Hello, so I just got back to campus. I'm so tired, it's so hot out, but we have some filming to do for the marketing job, so I'm gonna get changed because I've worn this top way too many times in videos. Okay, this is the new outfit. We got Bert in the pocket and we are ready to go film. With Jenny now. We just picked up her gift card. Yes, where we will get a mystery thing soon. And then we're just picking up a water bottle for filming. Okay, so it turns out Perugia closes at 4 p.m, not 5, so I will be filming there tomorrow. However, let's do a bookstore haul. So Jenny and I got these Jellycat seagulls! And then they gave me these water bottles for future filming. So first one is this pale looking one, so cute. Yeah. And then the second one is this clear water bottle. Very UBC, very school spirit. Thank you, Jenny.
What do we say?
We ran into Zishan. Our seagulls are staring at him. Hello? Bro, your babies are here.
I don't think that's seagull noises.
What? Ran into the coworker. We were stalking him. He was sitting over there. And then we were just...
I was tying my hair.
Yeah, and then he like untied his hair. Okay, I just came home from sitting on the turf for the last couple of hours, and I'm still quite high on energy, so let's go to the gym. Also just microwaved some lasagna with meat sauce, and then I'm going to binge the last couple episodes of Never Have I Ever. Good morning, happy Tuesday. So I woke up for the day, I washed my hair, so we have some filming coming up first, and then I will be joining my friend for some gallery patio season. I got the pasta special from Perugia, very yummy, and then did some video editing in the Life Sciences Center. Okay, so I just filmed myself eating for an hour. I feel so awkward right now. But yeah, we are heading back to the Nest to meet up with my friend for patio season. Look, it's Josh Lee.
Hey guys, it's Josh Lee again. How's it going? It's been a while.
How's Bert?
Bert is vibing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I am with Tamila now. Yes, and we got this picture of Blue Dream, so we're very excited to consume this.
It's beautiful.
It's so pretty.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. Okay, it is 2 hours later. I just took a nap. That was really good. But yeah, now we are going to get ready for tonight's events. Jenny is over!
Hi.
We are matching tonight. Yeah. And where are we going?
Levels.
Yeah, it's like their opening of this R&B night. So we are going to check it out, and our friend is on his way over right now. Vlog update, Zishan is here. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking vodka and then this thing,
Nice.
which I love.
Nice.
Jenny's also here. But you probably vlog that. Just
Definitely. So cute. Vlog update. So we are on our way to find levels right now. Turn in here. We walked past it.
No way, I actually still have trampoline socks.
What are trampoline socks?
Oh boy.
Good morning. It is 9:51. I have a work meeting at 10 and then I will go back to sleep right after. The other day I manually entered all the giveaway entries and this literally took forever. I just had the most nightmarish past 2 hours of my life. And then when I woke up, I was like, this feels a little too peaceful. Like no disturbance kind of waking up. So I checked the time and it was 12:30. Oh no, because I had a thing to film at 12 and it was a demo that was only happening at 12. So I rushed down there, filmed what was the rest of it, and then thankfully ran into one of my bosses. She filmed the entire thing and I will be editing with her footage. Okay, I've gotten ready for the day. The room is cleaned. We are ready to start our day at a ripe 2 p.m. Jenny and I took a walk in this nice weather and then went to Bean Around the World, had some coffee with a very deep life talk, and then we walked around some more. I've literally eaten nothing but chicken for the past 4 meals and I think my body is like deteriorating a little bit. So time to eat some yogurt and watch Ginny and Georgia season 2. Okay, so today we are decorating. Give us a camera tour.
So we have a little cat here, just resting, chilling.
With the dead fish.
And a dead fish.
Yeah.
A little treat for him for when he wakes
so cute.
up. And then a little paw,
Nice.
the power button.
Nice.
And a kitty here.
Cute.
Yeah, that's about it really. There's animals.
For mine, I replaced the cherry with this cat. And there's this like mouse looking thing, this other cat. And then a live mouse. And then this ball of yarn. We are heading to the pre right now. Yay! So excited! Good morning. So I washed my hair today. We're feeling peaceful, we're feeling lovely. So I'm a part of this faith community that has small groups and then also the large group gathering today. And I feel like in university, it's kind of hard to stay connected to faith. So it's a good way to be immersed in a community. I walked over to where the small group was being held and had a very deep, insightful discussion, and then it was time for a lunch group. Here is a video during worship courtesy of Michelle, who helps run the P2C social media. Would you like to be in it?
Yes, of course.
Jenny? So I was going to go to the gym, but I'm so tired. Being in the sun makes me want to nap. And also, the new season of Never Have I Ever just came out, so important matters await. Hello, so we have made it to the end of the week. I just had a meeting in the morning and then I just packed up my stuff because I go back home to Surrey every other weekend. So here is what I packed. I will go grab breakfast from Tim's with the Tim rewards. So I have made it back home to the childhood bedroom and I will probably end the vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me for a week in this life. It's been very hectic, but I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for many more summer videos.